Okay, now I will show you how to operate our Bluetooth fingerprint smart home door lock. The first step, we must download the Orbita Smart from Google Play or App Store. I have downloaded. And you will see the screen. Clicking here, you will choose the Add Lock, the door lock, and choose Next. And she will search the nearby locks. We must touch the lock screen LED light. Okay, now operation successful. We also could give it a name such as Hallie. Or use password or use numbers to give it a name, both okay. Okay, now you will see send ekeys, generates password, ekeys, passcodes, IC card, fingerprint records, and setting, both okay. And we also could choose clicking here. Okay. Unlock. This is use Bluetooth to unlock. I will show you how to send ekeys. Send ekey, the password you could set for timed, permanent, one time, or cycle, both okay. And if we want to set a timed receipt, the person who must download orbita Smart app must download orbita Smart app. And we also could give it a name and set the start time and end time for him, or both okay. And we also could allow remote unlocking or the administrator, both okay. Yeah. About the generate password, we could say permanent, timed, one time, erase, or custom. The most function, I will show you how to set the custom password. Clicking here and choose permanent, both okay. And we also could set the start time and end time, such as doing like this. Okay, set the password such as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the password is successful now, and we also could give it a name such as Emma. Operation successful, and we also could share the password with Emma, such as doing like this. We could use WeChat, SMS, email, or Messenger, or WhatsApp, both okay, such as use WhatsApp, and we could search Emma. Okay, send the password to her. Yeah, she will see the password and unlock the door. And use the same way to add ekeys, password, IC card, and fingerprint. You could choose add fingerprint and put the fingerprint on this area. That will be added successful. And this is the setting function. And now if you want to delete the lock, we should open the app and touch the lock, let it light and delete the lock. Delete. Use the password such as must let it light. Okay, now delete. Successful. Delete successful.